Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TikTok ads targeting with custom audiences, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore TikTok ads targeting with custom audiences, begin by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab on the main menu. From there, select Audiences. Click on the Create Audience button. Here, you will see several options for audience creation. Choose Custom Audience to start the process. Next, select the source for your custom audience. You can import customer lists, pixel data, or engagement data from TikTok. If you're using a customer list, upload your CSV or TXT file containing relevant customer information. Ensure that your list complies with TikTok's formatting guidelines for successful upload. For pixel data, if you haven't set up a TikTok pixel yet, create one under the Events section. After setting up your pixel, make sure it's tracking your desired actions on your website. Once you choose your data source, follow the prompts to define your audience. Specify the criteria for your audience, like age and location, if applicable. You can also set custom time frames for website visitors or engagement activities. After defining the audience, give your custom audience an identifiable name. Review your audience specifications for any errors or adjustments. Now, click the Create button to finalize your custom audience. Once created, you can find your new custom audience listed in the Audiences section. To use this audience in an ad campaign, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Begin creating a new campaign or edit an existing one. In the Targeting section of your ad group, locate the Audience drop-down menu. Select your newly created custom audience from the list. Adjust any other targeting parameters as necessary, such as interests or behaviors. Review your ad settings to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, launch your campaign to start reaching your targeted audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.